I'm explaining to him that once we are involved and we have to issue a formal trespass warning, we have to document it, because in the future, if you come back, we don't know who you are. There's so many calls we go to. How would the next officer know that you were issued a formal trespass? You can say, yes, you're going to be respectful and not come back, but there are people who come back later on and think that, okay, they waited out time, so now they can come back, but there's a warning that was already issued to you. So he requested for a supervisor because he doesn't want to give his ID, which I told him, now you're interfering with an investigation, and now you're being uncooperative, and now I'm requesting for your ID because it has to be documented. And here's Mr. He only told us his first name, Andrew.
How you doing, sir? My name is Andrew. So the instance that you're talking about, I have no clue. I was never charged with anything. There's no incident number. Huh?
You get the store locked?
Yeah. I don't know what incident they're talking about. I've been here numerous times. I never even asked to leave today. I was carrying my shopping cart, and the two, they're very respectful. They came and said, oh, we need your ID because we're being trespassed. And I said, well, the owner has to ask, nobody has to ask me to leave first. And then if I refuse, then I'm committing a crime, then you can demand my ID. The request is a formal request, you're just requesting for my ID because you think something happened, it's hearsay. You can't really demand it. It's a request, and I could say no. So at that point, I asked Ms. and she was very respectful. I said, may I have the chance to leave? She said, I'm being detained for this, and I haven't committed a crime. And she asked me to leave. I'm willing to leave, but there's no incident number. There's no, it's all hearsay at this point. And I asked her for a reasonable articulable suspicion of a crime. She couldn't give me any. She said, I'm willing to look into some details on my computer to see what happened. But that's hearsay.
I said to get the incident number since you asked what was the incident number. That's what I was saying.
You don't want him here anymore?
No.
Okay, is there a reason why?
A year ago, he was having some issue with him, and he ran from our store. We called the police because we want to make a police report, you know, for him not to come back. But because he ran, we don't have anything.
Okay.
The police said to him, if you ever see this guy again, give us a call. That's what we did.
So,
and I know what date. What was that? I don't remember that.
I do remember. You remember. You remember.
When he beat me there, when I tried to stab him, he pushed me over there, he crossed the street over there.
Hearsay.
And after a couple weeks, he came back again, he video us. So I called the guy again, and he ran. When he ran again, police tell me, whenever I saw this guy come in, call him again. That's exactly what I do today.
It's all hearsay at this point.
all right, well, you gotta understand this, okay? They're saying you committed a crime. Now this is a police investigation. You understand? All we need to do, okay, is get your ID, or you can provide your name.
Yeah, here my name. My name is Andrew.
Okay, so you can provide us with your name, your date of birth, whatever, and we can verify it. Okay.
What they're saying is hearsay.
I
They're saying that I said something. I did something that you didn't witness, nobody witnessed.
Is that correct?
Am I being detained for that investigation?
Well, right now they're saying yes. You know.
You're saying yes or they're saying yes? Because you're the acting supervisor.
Correct.
So you're detaining me?
They're saying that yes.
Okay.
Yes.
No, you're detaining me.
I'm not. First of all, Andrew.
Yes, sir.
Let's not get into a philosophical.
Yeah.
But the thing is, you have to abide by the law, not by hearsay.
Correct.
So by the law.
Let me ask you a question. You just want him gone?
I was willing to walk out.
Okay.
Trespassing also. Give me the trespass so he cannot come back.
He's going to tell you that it doesn't work that way. I have to come back.
Again, he will get
I'm
out.
not talking to you, I'm talking to him.
You're trespass.
I don't have to provide this.
You're absolutely right.
Thank you, sir.
You're absolutely right.
Thank you. I know that.
If they are asking you not to come back,
I will not come back.
Document that.
I will not come back.
Okay? But we need your name.
You can put my first name as Andrew.
Okay. Just tell them you don't want to come
I
back.
will not come back.
I don't want you back here anymore,
Thank you.
okay?
Thank you, sir. I appreciate it. Am I detained? Thank you, miss. And hopefully we learned something today because the officer said that it was wrong.
Go ahead. Go ahead.
No, to document it, you need ID. Have a good day.
Go ahead.
The disconnect was community.
No, the disconnect with the civilians. Have a good day. If you see him again, since it's already on body-worn camera, I'll